Good afternoon, all of you. Still many are joining, so let us wait for around 10 minutes. We will start this lecture. Okay, so I hope that most of you have joined, so we can start the lecture now. Okay, so in the previous lecture, we had discussed regarding your different definitions. You had given intro also regarding your definitions and what you will do or you are doing with that tool or software. So those things we have discussed, and few teams were left. Two teams were absent, and they had not presented it. Let me mention one by one those things. So first of all, Dev and team, Dev, Shubh, Bhavya. Dev, Shubh, Bhavya. No one present. Vedant and team, Vedant, Kushal, Nilesh.
Yes, sir.
I think you had updated your tool, right?
Yes, sir. But we want to change into Flutter Flow.
Okay, so you can modify it in this shared sheet, and you can just give a kind of brief about it and what you're going to do with that.
Okay, sir. Just a second.
Okay, fine. So till then, we can move further with the next team. Arun, Parth, Ayush, and team.
Yes, sir, Parth.
Yes, Parth.
Uh, Sir, we have selected Shopify before and we have updated to links and
Okay.
we have put it on sheet also and our teammates are Tarun and Ayush. The of the introduction of links, links is the low-code tool to build and automate backend applications and web services, and it accelerates design development and automation of custom business processes and it useful to build application system and databases.
Okay, Parth. And with that links, what you will do?
uh, Sir, we will make application.
Fine. So build a small application so that you can complete different things, report and demo on time. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please ask the question again.
Yes, Vedant. Vedant,
Yes, sir.
you had selected Flutter Flow, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is Flutter Flow? That is the first question. Second question, with Flutter Flow, what you will do?
Uh, Flutter Flow is a sir elementary of the Flutters. It's a help to design the application in an easy way. You can use as a it's like similar to so WordPress. You don't need to put so much so efforts in coding and etc. But it help you to create much better animated application. And I am going to use Flutterflow as a hydroponic store, which help to people to create a new generation farming at the home. The concept, sir.
Yes, and will you be able to complete it within 1 week? I think you are having 1 week of time only.
Yes, sir. We will do it.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, next, Mahek and team. Mahek, Yashvi, Dhruil.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, so what is your selected thing and what you will do with that?
So previously we have chosen Visual Studio Code, but you have asked us to modify it. So we gone for Angular, and we asked you through WhatsApp. You approved that. And about Angular, Angular is a small tool that enhances the coding part for a developer, and its most valuable feature is that whenever we choose any component of a website, it do not reload the entire page. So uh, it is more preferable for every website and developer. So it do not take much time for any programmer.
Okay, and what you will do with that, Mahek?
So we are going for website.
Okay, so create a small website so that you can complete it within time frame, right?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Next, Pradeep. Pradeep Gajjar. Sorry, Pradeep Gurjar. Pradeep. Pradeep. Absent. Jay Gokani. Jay Gokani. Jay Gokani. Absent. Virag. Virag Kakadia. Absent. Next, Priyansh and team.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you had selected definition one tool, right?
Yes, yes.
So what is that tool, Priyansh, and what you will do with that tool?
Sir, it is a programming environment which provides that interactive coding with a large number of programming language. We will do C language in that.
Okay, fine.
Okay, sir.
Next, Prachi and Hinal.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
Prachi.
have, yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. We have selected Gleek.io tool as a project, and Gleek.io tool is a diagram maker tool, which is very easy to use. And with there, we can make some types of flowchart and ER diagram. Currently, we are just means we are just planning to have some flowchart or ER diagram of some management system, and within in that Gleek.io tool we can use in very easy way. It has its own syntax, and with that syntax we can use that tool.
Okay, and what you will do with that?
Sir, we will do some types of flowchart and ER diagram.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Prachi.
Okay.
The next team, Shreya, Ami, Shyam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ami, you are 3 in your team or 2?
3, sir.
Okay, but in that sheet, you had not mentioned third member, central member.
Sir, I forgot to add. I will add it.
I'm fine. And it is PHP. PHP will be there in your academics.
PHP, so we cannot choose that.
No, no, that will be there only in your academics. You will learn it
Okay,
as
so
a
we
subject
need
of
to
itself.
modify it, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so take your time around 15 to 20 minutes and you can decide it before completing this lab.
Okay, sir.
Fine, thank you, Ami. Okay, now few instructions. Just a minute. Give me a few minutes. I will give you a few instructions. Please give me a few minutes. Okay, thank you so much all of you for waiting. Sorry for the delay. Now, few instructions. So I hope my screen is visible. Now, as we have decided these things in the first lecture itself, this is the timeline, and you all need to follow this date strictly. And so I had shared the report format in the Google Classroom. Those who have not joined, I'm requesting you to please join the Classroom. I will create, I think I have created task for report and presentation. So you need to submit there. Now, you all need to submit report by 8th July compulsorily. And on 9th July's lecture and 16th July's lecture, we will have the presentation on demo. Right, so more preferable, I would request you to give demo, because in presentation it will be difficult to get idea in your tool or software or technology. So please give the demo. Maybe possible that if you're going to select a presentation, I may ask for showing some kind of brief short demo. Right, so it is better to go with the demo. Right, so all are requested to please complete this submission of report by 8th July. And if you have prepared PPT, then also you need to submit it by 8th July. And we will be having presentation or demo on 9th and 16th July's lecture. Now, please remember this point, that in which sequence we will be having presentation, that sequence will be random. Fine, so you all are requested to be ready with the demo, team wise. Right, so team wise, I will ask to, and that sequence will be random. So all the teams need to be ready by 9th July's lecture. Fine, and for example, if you are 3 members in your team, then divide that demo in 3 parts. Fine, it is not something like that, okay, in your team 3 members are there, so only one team member will give the demo. No, you all need to give demo, and if you are having 3 members, you can divide that demo in 3 parts. Right, so by today's lecture, you all need to be ready with demo. I will take that presentation or demo randomly. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Thank you, Nilesh, for the response. Thank you, Anjali. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Kunj, Mahek, Ritesh Chandra. Thank you, Shyam, Divyansh, Prajit. Thank you, Kushal. Thank you, Tulsi. Great. Fine. Thank you so much all for the responses. Thank you, Krishna. Okay. And anybody, any kind of query, any kind of doubt regarding anything? Vedant, thank you. Shyam is inquiry that sir, where we have to submit report. You need to submit that report in Google Classroom. Shyam. Because I had already sent invitation to you all. You can check out your mail, you can accept the invitation, and you can submit your report in that Google Classroom. And if you are not able to find out that, or if I have not sent invitation to you, then please ping me on my this WhatsApp number that is already there in on your screen. Okay, fine. So there is no query and everything is clear. So in the next lecture, please be ready with the demo. All are requested to please be ready with the demo. In next lecture, you all need to give randomly. I will ask to give, so you all need to be ready.
હેલો સર.
Yes, Shyam.
સર અમારે ઓલું પેન્ડિંગ ટૂલ હતું એમાં ઇક્લિપ્સ ચાલશે સર?
No, Eclipse will be also there in your academics.
ઓકે સર.
Choose some different tool which will not be there in your academic.
ઓકે સર, તો પેન્ડિંગ સર ફાઇન.
Okay, so those teams who are pending with that selection of tool, please do it within an hour. And after deciding your tool, please message me on my WhatsApp number. I will see to it and I will approve it.
ઓકે સર.
Thank you. So within 1 hour, we will be able to finalize it, right? So you will be getting sufficient time.
ઓકે સર.
Okay, thank you. So I hope that there is no queries. If you are having query, feel free to ask. Okay, just a minute. Okay, fine. So that's it for today's lab. You all can write down your full enrollment number in the comment box without any prefix or postfix. It's only enrollment number. And we'll see you in the next lecture next week. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.
And then stop.
Yes, Ami, please. Ami, you need to write down enrollment number in the comment box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If anybody is having any query, feel free to ask.
Mm-hmm.